Start tonight at RiverBend Hospital in Springfield, and a big sigh of relief after a coronavirus scare turned out to be a false alarm. Thank you for joining us. I'm CHYNNA Green. Earlier this evening, I answered a call in the newsroom from a man who says he just left the hospital and he was frightened. He says he watched what doctors and nurses were doing around one patient, isolation and masks, and he said it was scary and made him nervous. That's when we reached out to Peace Health to learn what was going on. In a statement, they told us that the patient, quote, met preliminary criteria for being at risk of having novel coronavirus. The medical staff then followed appropriate protocols, and officials say the patient did not have the virus and was released. And there is no risk of infection for anybody who was in the emergency room at that time. And KEZI 9 News reporter CONR MCCARTHY is live outside the hospital with what officials are saying, as well as reaction from local residents. CONR.
Again, the patient that was admitted here at RiverBend Hospital right behind me was not diagnosed with coronavirus. However, I spoke to an urgent care earlier this evening, and they gave me this 3-page pamphlet that outlines protocols to its employees on what steps they need to take if they suspect one of their patients has coronavirus. However, other residents that I spoke to this evening say they're not too worried.
The coronavirus, it spreads really fast. It is kind of scary listening to the news.
The CDC says there are 11 confirmed cases in 5 states. 2 of those are on the West Coast. But a coronavirus scare here in Oregon at RiverBend Hospital just up the road isn't bothering some locals.
I'm myself am not too worried at the moment.
I'd say I'm not terribly surprised.
TERESA BONOMINI says the seasonal flu is the current threat at her kids' school, and they're taking precaution.
Washing hands and making sure he knows how to cough into your arm, not into your hands, and keep him home when he's sick.
Which is similar to preventing yourself from getting the coronavirus, according to the CDC.
Washing your hands, eating healthy, making sure everything is clean, because the coronavirus, it transmits very similarly to a common cold.
For those who are scared about the virus, Anna Fleischman says keep calm and carry on.
Take a deep breath, do some research about it, and look at how, preventative measures and what you can do to keep you and your community healthy.
The CDC says that symptoms can appear in people that are affected as few as 2 days and as long as 14 days. And the virus can spread through respiratory droplets, like through a cough and sneeze. And the symptoms are similar to the flu. They have fever, cough, as well as shortness of breath. But for now, reporting live in Springfield, CONR MCCARTHY, KEZI 9 News.
CONR.